Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadhai. In our today's video, I am sharing a quick paneer snack recipe which is simple to make and tastes really delicious. We are making thread paneer today. It's crispy from outside and soft from inside with all the nice saucy flavors. Usually this is deep fried, but we'll be opting a healthier way to make it. I'll be making it in my air fryer. So let's get started. First, we'll take 250 grams of paneer and we'll be cutting it into long pieces. So we'll keep these pieces aside. Next, in a flat dish, we'll take 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, half a teaspoon of chopped ginger, half a teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoonful of corn flour, 1 tablespoonful of rice flour. Instead of rice flour, one can even use 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Salt as per taste. Remember, all the sauces have salt, so add salt accordingly. And we'll add half a teaspoon of degi mirch or the colored red chili powder. Now we need to mix all these ingredients to make sauce for our paneer. The marination is ready. Now what we'll do is we'll take all these paneer pieces and we need to coat it nicely. We need to marinate paneer for at least 15 to 20 minutes. One can use the same marinade for any other vegetable like cauliflower, capsicum, onions, broccoli, mushrooms. And it's done. We'll keep it aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we need to cook noodles to wrap the paneer. So here I am using ready veg atta noodles. Although you can use half-boiled noodles which are easily available in the market, but to make my snack more healthy, I am using atta noodles today. So boil water and we'll just dip this block. We'll cook the noodles for just 1 minute. Do not overcook it. Once the noodles are done, we'll turn off the flame and we'll immediately sieve it and we'll wash it with cold water. Now our noodles are done. We'll spread noodles like this and then we'll take this one piece of paneer and we need to wrap it completely with these noodles. Instead of noodles, one can even use spring roll sheets. So in this manner, we'll prepare all other paneer pieces. Our noodles coated paneer is ready. Let's air fry it. I've already preheated my air fryer. We'll be air frying our paneer snack at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes first. If you do not have air fryer, then you can certainly deep fry it. It's been 5 minutes. Let's check it out. After 5 minutes, I will remove the parchment paper. After flipping, I will brush little oil on all the pieces. That's about it. Now we'll just air fry it for another 2 minutes. Let's check it out. And yes, you can see thread paneer is ready to serve. This is crispy, crunchy, still soft from inside. One can serve this with green chutney or chili garlic sauce. You can hear this crunchy sound. It's really awesome. A very quick snack recipe which you can prepare in minutes. So friends, do try out this thread paneer recipe and let me know how does it turn out for you. I'm sure you will really love it. If you liked watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and please subscribe to Healthy Kadhai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.